Hello, friends! Welcome to Lolo Quiz. Today, we are going to do a 2 gifts box challenge. If you're enjoying watching the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Let's start! Choose your car. Choose your mobile. Choose your cake. Choose your drink. Choose your bike. Choose your bedroom. Choose your dress. Choose your nail. Choose your gaming setup. Choose your calculator. Choose your jacket. Choose your house. Choose your swimming pool. Choose your stair. Choose your headphone. Choose your flower. Choose your slipper. Choose your socks. Choose your lamp. Choose your earrings. Choose your skate shoes. Choose your backpack. Choose your crown. Choose your guitar. Choose your hair. Choose your handbag. Choose your vacation place. Choose your living room. Choose your sunglasses. Choose your office room. Choose your washroom. Choose your kitchen. Choose your AirPods. Choose your cat. Choose your dresser. Choose your game controller. Choose your heel. Choose your water bottle. Choose your keychain. Choose your closet. Choose your ice cream. Choose your cake. And last, choose your cupcake. Thanks for watching.